kids, welcome to Toonybox. Are you ready to go on a yummy adventure? Let's visit Veggie Land. Whoa, look at this magical garden. It's full of talking vegetables. Let's meet them one by one. Hi there, I'm Carrie the Carrot. I'm super crunchy and good for your eyes. Want a superhero vision? Eat your carrots.
Wow, thank you, Carrie. Kids, do you like crunchy carrots? Say crunch. Broccoli is the brain booster. Let's all shout go Brocko.
Yo, I'm Brocko the Broccoli. I'm green and groovy, full of power for your bones and brain. Wanna be strong and smart? I'm your guy.
Hello, I'm Tammy the Tomato. Juicy, red and full of fun. I keep your heart happy every day. Kids, can you point to something red like Tammy? Wow, a royal veggie. Everyone say, all hail Prince Brinjal! Slippery and cool. Let's all pretend to slide like a cucumber. I keep your tummy happy and cool on sunny days. I love to dance in your salad bowl. Let's leaf and laugh together. Hey friends, I'm Connie the Corn. I'm full of pop and fun and give you energy to run, jump and play. Wanna hear something fun? Pop, pop. That's me getting ready to party. Sniff, sniff. I'm Ollie the Onion. I might make you tear up, but I'm full of good stuff for your body. So if you tear up, give me a smile. I'm here to help. Hey kids, I'm Bella the bell pepper. I come in red, green and yellow and I'm super crunchy and full of color.
Howdy! I'm Paddy the Potato. You can boil me, mash me or bake me. I'm a fun treat that gives you strength.
Find me in almost every kitchen. I'm the tastiest team player in Veggie Land. Hello little gardeners. I am Letty the lettuce. Light, leafy and full of love for your tummy. Yay! You did great little veggie champs. Don't forget to eat your veggies every day to grow big and strong. See you next time on Toonybox.